Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial quiz, and in this video I'm going to show you the directory structure of Laravel. Also, I will also show you that how you can modify this home page so that you can get an idea how this Laravel templating system works and where the template resides. So now let's go to our physical directory. So this is my directory, Laravel private, and then inside that there is blog. Inside here you can see that inside resources, okay, resources, the template resides here, the view files. So if you want to see the view files, then simply click on this resources folder, and then inside that you will see here views. And inside of views here, right click on this, and I'm using here several text, so this open you can use any browser, sorry, editor. Now this is the home page actually. So if you want to uh, make sure if it's a really home page, then let's do anything. Delete everything from here to here. So I'll write here h1 tag, then h1. Welcome to Laravel home page. Save it. Let's check here. Click and refresh. You can see it is changed. So this is inside the resources folder. There is views, and inside views is what is here. So later we will, while working the projects and in Laravel, you will create all the files and keep your template file inside this views folder. So now let's get back to blog once again, and then here inside routes and inside that wave, here all the routing code we will be writing. So for the time being, you can see here it is displaying here welcome. So what is this welcome? Actually, this is the name of the template. This is the name of our template. So suppose if you want to change its name, so let's get back to the resources folder and then views. Now I'm creating another one, just duplicating it and say I will create it as home.blad. Remember, you need to provide this .blad.php, or else if you write this one home.php, then it won't work. You need to write blad also, .blad. So it is a templating syntax. Okay, so we have written here home.blad.php. Now let's modify it. Welcome to home page of Laravel. Now save it, and then go to route section, and then inside that wave, and here change its name to home, because now our new name is home. So now let's try here. You can see here welcome to Laravel home page. So these are the basic structure what I'm trying to display you. Now let's get back here, and then for database connection, we write the database connection here inside that, inside this .env file here. So let's click here, and then here database connection MySQL. Here is host name, and then database name here. So let's create my database going into the phpMyAdmin localhost, localhost, and then okay. So we need to open XAMPP console. But I'll show that later. But just I'm trying to show you that here we will write database name and here database user and here database password. So database connection is written inside .env file. And now let's go to app folder. Inside app here, inside that HTTP, and inside that here is controller file. So inside controller, let's click here, and then you can see here this is base controller or home controller. So whatever controller you will be creating, you will be putting here inside the controller folder. And inside public here, we will keep all the JS and CSS files and images also inside this public folder. So as you can see, the app.css file is here, as well as JS file is also here. So in your application, while developing your application, you can keep the JavaScript file, the image file, all the files will, the view file, all the view related files will be kept in this public folder. And in this vendor folder, we will be downloading time to time other modules also. So all the modules will be installed here. The third party modules will be installed inside vendor folder. And then here is database. So inside database, you can see migrations here. So all the database schema, all the database migration files will be written here. You can see here, we will write this kind of schema in this migration folder. So as you will be working ahead in the next tutorials, you will be knowing more about this. But at least you can make sure and see that the database structure is written inside a PHP file, and when we will write a command migrate PHP artisan migrate, then the tables of this name will be created. User's name. This one is sheets. So actually sheets is for Flickr or here for fake data generating for fake data. We can use these sheets. We will see this also in succeeding videos. And as you saw in the first video that it also Laravel also supports unit testing. So for testing purpose, this folder is here for test. So all the bootstrapping or starting things or and caching also is controlled and handled by this folder. And all the config related things is files are here. So normally these files we don't change while working. So that's it. So these are the important folder structures we will be working ahead. So the next chapter we will be working on creating a new controller, creating a new the routes. So I will cover in the next video. So stay connected and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.